Hi guys, Coach Hedy and Coach Tommy here, doing a bit of training. Now, once we add the element of surprise into the technical training, the movement training, some things start to happen. So as you saw, what we were demonstrating was a very basic, what you see in self-defense. Me doing this and Hedy doing relaxed stuff here. But once she turned around and I surprised her by doing this, psychology takes over. So when there is a startle flinch, when we are surprised, we are not doing from a steady position like this any going forward. Because now if I surprise her, she is moving backwards because that's the brain saving us from the harm.